Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about one of our component of our vertical roller mills, which is the grinding table of our vertical roller mills. So as you can see, this one casting our metal casting workshop, and then the function of this grinding table is you will install this on the top of the gearbox inside of the vertical roller mill, and then the 4 grinding rollers or sometimes 6 will be on the top of this grinding table, exerting a downward force, and then the gearbox will rotate this grinding table, and then the material will be crushed in between this grinding table and also the rocker arm and the grinding rollers. So there will also be liners on the surface of this grinding table. So yeah, thank you guys. I will introduce about our other vertical roller mill parts in our next video.